The monument to Genghis Khan in Mongolia is a significant landmark that pays tribute to one of history's most influential figures. Situated in the beautiful Mongolian landscape, this monument stands as a symbol of the country's rich cultural heritage and its connection to Genghis Khan, the founder of the Mongol Empire. For those planning a visit to Mongolia, exploring the monument to Genghis Khan is an absolute must. The drone footage allows tourists to experience this iconic landmark from an aerial viewpoint, capturing its grandeur against the backdrop of the surrounding natural beauty. The monument itself is an impressive structure that captures the essence of Genghis Khan's legacy. It showcases his likeness on horseback, reflecting his prowess as a skilled warrior and leader. The monument is strategically positioned amidst stunning landscapes, offering visitors breathtaking views of Mongolia's natural beauty. For those planning a visit to Mongolia, exploring the monument to Genghis Khan is an absolute must. The monument not only provides an opportunity to learn about the life and achievements of this legendary leader, but also offers a chance to immerse oneself in the stunning landscapes that surround it.